I would describe the relationship that we have with Align and with Lori as an open door. Anytime I have a question, she is there to answer it for me. If I just want to bounce an idea off her, she will give me her insight. It has been really great, just open flow of communication.
Lori's awesome, whether it's been one-on-one visits at individual practices or group meetings. She's really steered us in the direction of maximizing our social media marketing. So it was really nice to meet someone who's fluent in that language and can really steer us in the direction to maximize our dollars spent in the right way.
I have learned through Invisalign with Lori how to incorporate new aspects to marketing, whether it's how to post a social media post, whether it's how to order new brochures for the practice. She has shown us a lot of new things. She actually introduced us to Right Idea Creative, who is now doing our website, when we couldn't be happier for the new look.
Whether it's a chairside assistant getting a quick testimonial, or whether it's a wow new patient phone call, all those things and utilizing the technology is really brought us into a new era of orthodontics.
Since Lori and Align have kind of taken us by the hand and helped us, we have seen a huge return on our Google reviews. We have seen a whole lot of patients coming in. I would say that Align technology has definitely given me the marketing edge that I need.
I think combined with the right people steering us in the right direction, like Lori, we went from a 2-doctor, 4-location practice to a 6-doctor, 13-location practice, and I think that says it all.